Here's the Heybike Mars 2.0. Right now it's in its folded state. I'm just going to quickly show you how to unfold it. But before that, I'm just quickly showing you how it looks like when it's folded. It does take just a little space when it's folded, so you'll have enough room to store it. And it stands on its own when it's folded as well. So this is to unfold it. Very easy, just and make sure to push that lock there. And that's it. That's already unfolded. And here's to unfolding it back. So there's a latch there that you just need to turn. And as soon as you've turned that latch, loosen that. Now you disassemble it and fold it. And another latch that we locked earlier. All right, just unlock that. And then here you go. It's just less than a minute folding. That's it. And that's back to its folded state. I'll give you an update on the other functions of it. But right now, that's just the folding and unfolding of the Heybike Mars 2.0.